Hello everyone. So if you are facing the same problem, as you can see this problem, so I'm here to help you. I'm here to fix this problem. All right, so there are two ways in which you can fix a problem. Let's start the video. First, let me close this, and from the taskbar choose Photoshop and end task. All right, so we have closed Photoshop. Now from the start menu, just type Windows Defender Firewall. All right, this will pop up. Open this, and from here you'll have to choose Advanced Settings, and now Inbound Rules, New Rules. All right, just choose the program and next. So from here you will have to locate your as you can say Photoshop, or if you are having problem in Premiere Pro, any Adobe software, just locate the program from here. All right, so in my case I am having this problem in my Photoshop, so I'm going to locate Photoshop from my computer. So most of you guys will install Photoshop on C drive. As you can see, you will find Photoshop in C drive, but in my case it's on D drive. Right, so D Adobe, it will be the same on the C drive or any other drive. Okay, so D Adobe, then Photoshop. All right, and then we have to choose the application of Photoshop. Tap here, open. As you can see, it has been done. The next, now we have to do this, we have to tap this option, block the connection. Right, so next, and just you type any random name. So let me type photo 2022. So doesn't matter what you type, but still right. Okay, then finish. Then you have to do it for the outbound rules. Okay, for this option, tap here, and then you have to do it again, same as inbound rules, you have to do it for outbound rules as well. So new rules, program, next, Photoshop. All right, next, block the connection, next, next. All right, so we are done here. So this is the first step. All right, so let me show you the second process, how you can fix it. So this process will be if you have an antivirus. All right, so if you have an antivirus software installed, then this first process won't work. So in my case I have Norton, in your case it might be a different one, but something is similar in every antivirus software, and that is your firewall. Okay, if you have a antivirus software, then I'm pretty sure you will have this option called firewall. Just tap on firewall, and you will find this option called program controls. Okay, in my case it's program control, so in your case it might be a bit different, but you got my point. Right, now from here, as you can see, I have all Adobe software running on my background, connecting to the internet. So you got it, right? So now from here I will choose my Photoshop. This is Photoshop, just block it. So in your case it might be Adobe Media Encounter or Adobe Premiere Pro. So just block everything you want. You can, if this blocking this doesn't work, then you can block every Adobe options. Right, every Adobe software, just block everyone. Right, then I'm pretty sure it will work for you. So I'm blocking this and apply, close, close, close. Let's open Photoshop and let's see if the error has solved or it's still there. Let's open. I think the error is gone. yeah, it's gone. So yeah, that's how you solve your problem.